And Taylor's gonna be climbing a waterfall today, but she's on the other side, so she can't do the introduction thing. So there's Taylor over there. Alright, here she goes. She's stepping in the water. I'd laugh if she fell. Stop! Stop there. Okay, but she doesn't listen.
Alright. Now that I've survived that little part, this is a bigger part. It's not that hard, but so easy. As you can see, it's obviously leaking. How did you do it?
If I told you, you wouldn't really be a climber now, would you?
Oh snap!
Stipulate!
Hate you! This way or that way?
That way.
This way?
That way.
You went that way.
But you're going that way. Look at her shoes. Look at her shoes. It's soap.
I know it is.
She's not wearing socks either.
How the hell
I really want her to fall in the water. I want you to fall.
Oh. It will give me more views.
You're supposed to land on the ground, smart one. See, how she did that was she stepped right there in the water.
I survived yet another waterfall.
The easiest one.
Well, there's another one. There's probably going to be a link for the second one. Alright.